So we'll start off in this positioning with range stacked here and melee behind the boss here with tanks in the center. We'll be dropping poo over here as usual. Hopefully we can get them nice and tight and over near the wall like this. Let's fast forward a bit. Okay, so we'll get a mechanic where we have to either stack or spread. So if you have a red circle around you, you need to spread. You don't have any time to cast or anything, you need to spread instantly because it slows you as well. And if you don't have a red ring, you need to stack up on melee on the tanks. So we'll stack up like that, then resume our positions. Then obviously the cudgel is the same, stack up against the opposite wall. Then resume positions again. Drop poo on the wall. Then big sort of change we'll make to our usual strat is spread and stack again. Phase 2, get range to stay in the same spot, and melee in the tanks will go and kite the adds. So if an ad targets range, they can kill it before it gets to them or slow it, whatever, or they can like run out and soak it before it gets to them. That way range can focus more on DPSing the ad without moving too much, and it'll be a bit easier. So phase 2, same thing, kiting around, range stack stationary. Obviously this will only work if there's no shit over on this side. Alright, phase 3. Knock back. Drop poo on the wall. Same shit really, just the added spread stack mechanic. Pretty easy. Cudgel, so wherever the cudgel goes we just run opposite to it. Easy game.